Spike. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, hello. So today I wanted to show you guys, first of all, I got this Poltergeist crew neck from Blackbear's website, and also finally got the In Loving Memory vinyl, which is really neat. It was a pre-order, so I ordered it back in like November and I just got it like 2 days ago, which is pretty neat. This album is super different from Blackbear, but I really love it. I like the concept, I like the meaning behind it. A lot of the songs are super personal for him, and I love that it's showing him like killing his old self, which is like super transformative and something that I can kind of relate to lately. Been going through some things like that. Also, he has green hair, which people have speculated that he's killing his old mansion self, but he said no. He said it's not him, so yeah. And then it says like Bear Trap on the license plate. Yeah, there's a sticker here. I used to take the stickers off of vinyl and put it on my guitar. I don't know if I should put it on my phone case. Kind of, or like I have stickers on my guitar case from some really old albums I bought on vinyl like years, like a decade ago. Aging myself here. I've been into alternative music for a very long time. I'm gonna open it. I'm pretty sure it's just black, but vinyls are always cool though, because like it's just CDs, whatever. You know, CDs aren't really a thing anymore, so I really like the just like the physical copy. Okay, it does open. I didn't think it was going to. I thought it was just gonna be like a little record. Oh, that's cool. Have never seen this picture before. He's like flipping off traffic. Actually, that's the car. Oh, and it's on fire. Okay, that's this car. That's pretty neat. Okay, and then it looks like the LP is in here. It's a nice purple to pink fade. And it's just one LP. This is so cool. Oh, it's like really thick. Like, I don't know if you guys have ever, like if you guys buy records or not, but some records are like super flimsy. A lot of ones I buy from Urban Outfitters are like really thin. This one feels a little thicker, which is nice, and it really wasn't even that expensive, like $25 or $30. And then it has the track listing with like some creds, and it looks like Travis Barker is on literally every single song. And Blackbear and Andrew Goldstein wrote basically the whole song, or every single song, which is really cool. And then on the back it just has like a gratitude. I would like to express my innermost deepest gratitude to you. If you're reading this, your support has helped me mold into who I am today. Every single person who purchased a Blackbear album or streamed a Blackbear song or got a Blackbear tattoo or even a Blackbear hoodie, you are my family and I love you dearly, and I thank God for you every morning when I wake up. You keep me going on the days I don't feel like being Blackbear anymore. Thank you for listening and supporting my creativity and happiness. And then thank you to a lot. Oh my gosh. A lot of names, but above all else, I would like to thank God. On June 9th, I was baptized in Texas as a follower of Jesus. There would be no album, no touring, no Blackbear without the power of prayer. God is my shield and my sword, and because of what I am an instrument of the Lord. Why does that make me so emo? Oh my gosh. Okay, cool. Well, everybody, it's so cool because that was like right when I saw him. Okay, good night. Goodbye. I just got on my Instagram to look at what day I saw him in Austin last year, and it was in fact June 9th. which is really cool. Makes my heart so large. All right, go stream in loving memory from Blackbear on all platforms. Peace.